Hello everyone. As I have created this YouTube channel for the 9 to plus 2 class physics and I have make separate sections for each class. So to get all the videos in that section, follow these simple steps. First of all, click on the YouTube logo which is already installed in your phone. When it will open, it will have a search option at the upper side. Click on that option and type Tesla tuition point in that. When it reloads, the first option is there. Just subscribe the button which is written in red. Click on that. Then it will open the next page where all the videos are in random manner. To get all the videos in sequence manner and class wise, above side is written playlist. Click on that playlist. Here all the playlists are mentioned where the videos I have kept. Just click on any section. Let me take an example. I will click on the ninth physics chapter